Being or becoming an author is hard, especially if you're full-time working, or you're a mom, or you're a mompreneur, or a business owner, or any of the other things that you might be doing in life that keep you busy while trying to pursue this dream of writing and publishing a book, or writing more books, whatever that looks like for you. Take it from me, a mom and a previous full-time worker, now mom full-time, and of course working as well from home. And so if you have been struggling with feeling like, oh my gosh, I don't know where to start, I'm not clear on my content, I would love to achieve this dream of writing this book and publishing it, or becoming an author, taking what I've already created and making something of it, and you've just been struggling with all those internal self-doubts like, oh my gosh, what if my writing is crap, or what if people don't even like it? What if there's a million other books out there like it? How is mine going to stand out and make a difference? I want to encourage you, because it doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be a solo journey. It doesn't have to be all the different challenges and struggles that come up during the process. It can be straightforward. It can be step by step. And there is a way to accomplish the dream that you have and the vision that you have for yourself and your book that you see other people accomplishing, and you're wondering, what am I missing, right? What do they have that I don't have? Do they have some secret that I am missing out on? No, it's just that you need to be shown the way. And so I put together this training to help you do that. And so I hope that you find it super beneficial and actionable and step by step. And so check it out. And of course, give me your feedback once you're done. I need to go take care of my family now. So I will see you guys inside the training.